Umano'y anomalya sa farm-to-market roads at iba pang infrastructure projects, bubusisiin na rin po yan sa susunod na investigasyon ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Kaugnay niyan, may detalye pa si Bombo JC Galvez.
Maliban sa mga anomalyang flood control projects, bubusisiin na rin sa susunod na pagdinig ng Blue Ribbon Committee ang isyung may kaugnayan sa mga anomalya sa farm-to-market roads at iba pang palpak na infrastructure projects. Itong kinumpirma ni Senate President Vicente Sotto III kung saan anya hindi puputulin ang investigasyon at tuloy-tuloy itong bubusisiin ng komite. Ayon kay Sotto, pumayag si Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson na buksan na rin ang pagsisiyasat sa farm-to-market roads ng Department of Public Works and Highways. Naniniwala rin si Sotto na dahil sa lawak ng mga irregularidad sa mga ghost projects, hindi malayong palawakin ng Blue Ribbon Committee ang saklaw ng investigasyon upang masuri rin ang iba pang substandard o ghost projects sa mga ahensya tulad ng Department of Agriculture, Department of Education, Department of Health at maging sa PhilHealth.
Walang stop yun. Tuloy pa rin yun. Tuloy na. Tuloy ang Blue Ribbon into other anomalous transactions or any accountability of any public officers. That is precisely the reason that the Blue Ribbon was created, to look at the accountability of public officials.
And you
Yes.
You talked about that the NPN is okay with that.
Yes.
Tuloy lang.
Yes, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Samantala, pinasinungalingan at tinuwanan ni Sotto ang ulat na naging pangsalba sa kanyang Senate presidency ang pagbibitiw ni Lacson bilang Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman noong October 6. Ayon sa kanya, nadismaya lamang umano si Lacson dahil sa mga puna ng ilang senador hinggil sa paraan ng kanyang pamumuno sa investigasyon kaugnay ng flood control projects. May ilan daw kasing nagsabing itigil na ito, habang iba na may iginiit na iba dapat ang tutok ng investigasyon. Naging iba rin anyang dating sa ilang senador, kaugnay sa sinabi ni Lacson na halos lahat ng senador ay may insertion sa 2025 national budget.
No, he did not. No. That was a idea of some people. Sabi nila sa King's Gambit, di ba? Sabi nila.
Frank Dillon. King's Gambit.
Wala, nangingiti lang kami ni Ping because hindi naman. Siguro, it could be an idea. But as far as he was concerned, during that time, he was frustrated. That was the word, I think.
Irritated.
He was frustrated, irritated. But then again, later on, in the course of our talks with other people, nakita naman niya na kailangan pa rin. Importante pa rin sa Blue Ribbon. Importante na pakinggan niya yung boses ng mga kasama namin at pakinggan niya ang boses ng publiko.
Sa ngayon, ay wala pang nakatakdang schedule kung kailan ang susunod na pagdinig ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Ngunit magpupulong ang komite sa susunod na linggo o sa unang linggo ng Nobyembre.
Wala pa eh. Meron na may target date ng Blue Ribbon meeting. Hindi hearing, meeting. If we cannot do it this Monday, this coming Monday, might be a few days after. Di ba that? Either before the end of the month or the first week of November is the latest. Sigurado meron pa rin naman. Then we resume on November 10, and most probably we will ask Senator Lacson to retake on November 10. But during the meetings, I'm sure it will be a sealed deal by that time.
Para sa Bombo Network News, ako si Bombo JC Galvez, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.